YouTube channel, Amelia Bear. I have taken you guys through a couple videos, like a lot. Right now I want to show you guys like maybe how to do reports on Excel. Yeah, so you can see on my screen here, I'm going to tap on this. I had already opened, so I'm going to tap on this and it's going to bring me a blank worksheet. I told you guys a worksheet is this display here. This layout is our worksheet. So let us say we are going to make a report for P7 pupils who maybe did exams. Yeah, so we're going to come here and maybe put in the names. We're going to be like, maybe their names should be here in this cell. Then maybe here be like the subjects, right? And then maybe names, subjects, their marks are going to be here like in the columns. So let us start with maybe let's say Irene, then maybe Dan, then maybe Richard, and then okay, we're going to use like 5 or 4 pupils. Then we're going to put in Gloria. Yeah, we have two males and 2 females. Then the subjects. Okay, let us insert. Let us insert. Okay, we've inserted there, right? Then maybe I want to insert another one here. Okay, here where we've inserted, let us highlight and merge. We highlight, sorry. Let me undo. Okay, let us merge. We come here to merge and center. Okay, I've merged and then I'm going to put in our title. I hope you guys saw how I merged. I'm going to put in our title, like maybe report card. Yeah, I merged and centered. You can see I'm typing. Sorry. Report card. Sorry. Yeah, report card for P7 pupils 2024 for midterm exams. Yeah, maybe that's our heading. And then we can re-highlight and put it in caps lock, maybe in capital letters. You can see I'm bolding. Yeah, and then yeah, that's our heading. Then I wanted to insert, sorry, okay, let's remerge this. Yeah, remerge and center. And then we are going to type in something like, okay, let's just put P7 results. P7 results. And then we come back here to the names and the subjects. We insert. You have inserted now. There are the names and the subjects. So for the subjects, I'm going to put in this cell. I'm going to put math, and then I'm going to put SST, and then I'm going to put English, and then I'll put, obviously, we have 4 subjects in primary. Maybe we can add something like CRE, stroke, CRE stroke IRE. Now we're going to put in marks. We're going to fill in marks out of 100. Maybe Irene got 60, and then Dan, maybe Dan got 70. Then we come to Richard. Richard may be the bottom of the class. He was the best with 85. I'm sure you guys know how. 70. Then here, Dan bottom of the class 85. So you guys know how math can be, right? And then for Gloria we have maybe 49. Yeah, she will improve. Then we come to SST, we have 75. We have a 62. We have Richard with an 81. Then we have Gloria with a 90. Yeah. Then English, we have maybe 55. Yeah, maybe we have a 25. Yeah, maybe we have a 71. Then Gloria, we can have something like an 87, right? Okay, I've decided to change Gloria's marks. Gloria deserves the best as well, so maybe 90. Then science, we can have a 67. Dan, maybe 89. Then Richard, perhaps 45. Then Gloria, maybe we have a 76. Then Ciara, yeah, maybe we have this one got 100. Then maybe, okay, I think we just leave this for CRE, not to bother us. But then we come to this cell and maybe we put total marks for each student. Total marks for each student, okay? You can see our cell has become small, but we have the provision of increasing. So we right click, we can increase, right click and drag. Let us try this one more time. If you want to increase like a cell size, okay, so down here let us maybe put those are total marks for each student, and then maybe we put the total in like each subject, okay? So here for total marks of each student we are going to like add, okay? And to add, now we've increased that now. To add, we are going to, okay, this is our formula bar, right? Where we do our calculations from. So to add, we are going to add like per subject, and then we go to total marks for each student. So for math, we are going to do that, keep on pressing like the plus sign, then we come to the next cell, plus, go to the next cell, plus, and then plus. Then we come here, like, okay, we first come to the total cell, like, okay, where we're going to want our total mark to appear for math. I'm then we put equal signs, and then we keep on clicking this plus. We go to the next, click, sorry, before plus, press shift, and then where the equal signs are, it will give you a plus b5 shift plus, sorry, plus our 85, and then plus this one, okay. And then you press enter. It's going to give you the total marks in math for all the students. And then we come to SST, put our equal signs there. So we come to the first cell before, and click there. Here, click C4, sorry, shift plus. Then we come here to, it's C4 because here you can see the column letter is C, and then the row number is 4, that's why it's C4. Now this one is going to be C5 because it's a C on the column and then the row is a 5, so we click there, C5 plus C6 plus C7, and then we enter. It's going to give you the total marks in SST. And then we come for English equals, we come here, it is a D4 because the column data is D, and then here for English iron it is a 4, so that's why it's a D4 plus that plus this plus that, and then plus that, and we enter. It has given us the total marks in English for all the pupils. Then we come to science equals, come here plus that, keep on adding, and then we enter. It has given us that. Now we're going to come to the total marks for each student in each subject. So just do that and keep on adding. Sorry. And we enter. It has given us that. Then we come here, we do the same. Yeah, we enter. Yeah, you guys can see I'm adding everything, though it takes time, but I just want to show you guys. We enter, and then we come for the last one, Gloria. Those are the total marks. You can't even get average. So we come here and put our equal signs, and then we come to this plus. Yeah, I'm adding, and then we enter. It has brought all that. Yeah, you can see this is like literally report making. You can even have a provision of position, average, all that. Yeah, but I've just shown you guys this to show you how report making can be. Now for position, we use formulas and functions. So you just come and put the provision of position, and then you type in like the formula. Okay, in the formula bar here, and everything will just come out automatically. Yeah, so maybe I highlight this whole thing. After highlighting, okay, let us see. I want to put a boundary. Yeah, that's why I've done that. So after highlighting, put a boundary. Maybe we're going to page layout and see if it's there. Okay, you can put a boundary. Yeah, guys. So basically, showing you how to, how to make a report. I'm basically showing you guys how to make a report. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for being there for me. You can like, subscribe, and yeah, share my videos. See you guys in my next videos. Bye bye.